Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you my upcoming online class for August 2021. In this class we will be creating 6 beautiful handmade cards using the hand-penned Petals bundle, which includes the hand-penned Petals stamp set and the coordinating penned flowers dies. We will also be using the new Soft Petals Assortment pack, which includes all these beautiful colors, and learning the different ways you can use them for card making. I am excited to share these cards with you today. You can find these products in the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog or online. To sign up for this class, please visit my blog, creativechelsea.com, and use the PayPal button. The direct link is below in the description box. Let's go ahead and see these cards now. Here are the 6 cards we will be making. You can see that each card is unique and uses some different coloring techniques with those soft pastels. I love how each one has turned out. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. The class will run for 2 weeks in August from the 16th through the 27th. Participants can join me live for the sessions during the 2 weeks or can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $30 and is paid through PayPal. You do not need a PayPal account to pay. You can register and sign up through my blog, creativechelsea.com. The direct link is in the description below. Registration for this class closes on Monday, August 2nd, so sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This class kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial-only option. This kit will include pre-cut cardstock, envelopes, a full roll of gold shimmer ribbon, brand new package of gilded gems, some pre-cut dies using the message dies, and pre-embossed cardstock for some of our fun techniques. There will also be a fun surprise thank you gift. All of my classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled during the 2 weeks of class. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be posting written PDF instructions for each card. If you are not on Facebook and would like to still participate, you can through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with the written PDF with step-by-step instructions. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. These items include the hand-penned Petals bundle, which includes the hand-penned Petals stamp set and penned flowers dies. The Soft Pastels assortments. You will need the VersaMark ink and Memento Black ink, as well as a water painter or another type of paintbrush. You will want a knife of some type to shave off the pastels to get little sprinkles of pastels for some of our techniques. You will also need some type of fixative, and you can use hairspray or a professional grade fixative. That's up to you. And that keeps the pastels from rubbing off your cards. You will also need some blending tools, and there's lots of different options with blending tools. You could use sponge daubers or a blending brush, or some of my favorite tools are actually just things you can find around your house, which are cotton swabs or a soft paper towel like a tissue. Here are some of the tools that you will need. You will want to have a paper trimmer, a Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, as well as ribbon, scissors, paper snips, bone folder, your favorite types of adhesives, clear blocks B, C, and E, as well as stamp cleaner, and then possibly a heat tool, which is optional and would just help dry your projects a little quicker. I am so excited for this class and hope that you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com. The links are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.